My name is personal injury attorney Danko Borkovic at Borkovic Law Group, personal injury law firm here in St. Petersburg, Florida. You can reach us at 727-798-5291 or www.borkoviclawgroup.com. Today, I would like to talk to you about diminution in value. Sounds very complex, and it might be, but many people don't know about it, what that is, and many people, unfortunately in Florida, don't know that after a car crash, if their car is damaged by a negligent party, they are entitled to get a compensation even beyond repairs of their vehicle for what we call diminution in value of their automobile. Two vehicles are not worth the same if one vehicle, two identical vehicles with same year, make, model, mileage, condition, are not worth the same if one vehicle was never involved in a car crash and the other vehicle was involved in a car crash and has been repaired since. Clearly, if you have to pay the same amount of money for those two vehicles, you would not feel that's a fair deal. You would obviously buy a vehicle that wasn't involved in a crash, and you wouldn't buy the vehicle for the same money that was involved in a crash. So when you are a victim of a car crash that caused your automobile to have property damages, and after repairs, your vehicle still will be marked as the vehicle that was involved in a crash and will lose market value. Now, your car is going to be reported to various websites such as carfax.com as the vehicle with a prior accident history. When you go to trade in your car down the road, even if you're selling it on your own or any of these reasons will cause your previously repaired vehicle to be worth less than the one that wasn't involved in a car crash. Also, structural integrity of your automobile after a car crash might be questioned, and the vehicle might never be the same after a crash. So that vehicle will obviously have to take a market appreciation in the market if you're going to sell it. For all of these reasons that I just mentioned, people that were involved in a collision that's caused significant damages to their recent year make and model automobiles, and I say recent for a reason, are entitled to get diminution in value or DIV claims presented to the negligent parties insurance. Florida does not recognize diminution in value for a what we call first party collision claim. So you cannot present diminution in value claim to your auto insurance company, in Florida. Your automobile insurance contract with your carrier will not recognize depreciation of your automobile because it was in a crash. However, in a tort situation where somebody else is negligent for your collision, that insurance company protecting that other negligent party is, under a Florida law, obligated to pay for your depreciation claim or DIV claim. How do you go about that? Well, first, we got to make sure that depreciation is worth pursuing. If you have a 10 or 15-year-old vehicle over 100,000 miles, chances are that the value of the vehicle is insignificant enough where depreciation is not probably worth pursuing. It's certainly not worth hiring an attorney to do that. However, you might have a new automobile. We just recently had a case where a gentleman purchased the vehicle 2 days prior to being involved in a rear-end collision, and it was somebody else's fault. So that is clearly a valid and legitimate diminution in value claim. If you have a Porsche, BMW, Mercedes, Range Rover, one of these very expensive vehicles, they're worth tens of thousands of dollars, and they're fairly recent year, they will be certainly worth pursuing a diminution in value claim. Generally, you're looking anywhere between 5, 10 to maybe 20% of the market value of your automobile at the time of depreciation, at the time of a crash. For example, if you have a $150,000 Porsche, you might be looking up to $30,000 in depreciation in value or diminution in value claim. Obviously significant enough amount to pursue it. If you have a $2,000 automobile, maybe $100 is not worth pursuing. What do you do in a diminution in value claim? Well, you need to contact a law firm that specializes in that kind of cases, and Borkovic Law Group does pursue these kind of cases on case-by-case basis. We do have experts, property damage appraisers. They're licensed and certified to do inspections and conduct the evaluation of value prior and after the crash and after the repairs, and come up with the reasonable amount that that vehicle sustained in diminution in value. With that, we present that case to the insurance company and demand payment. If we can't agree, we are willing to pursue that matter in court and have the matter be adjudicated, getting the justice to our clients. If you have been involved in a significant car collision, automobile accidents, you or your loved ones were injured and or sustained diminution in value on your newer automobiles, feel free to call Borkovic Law Group to discuss more what are your rights under Florida law. You can reach us at 727-798-5291 or www.borkoviclawgroup.com. Thank you for watching.